So today we're going to do one small project. Not small project, it's going to be a big project today. Okay. So what's the project all about? See, we have an architectural file here. Okay. So you see the plumbing, fixtures, everything. So this is going to be a blank architectural file, let's say a plumbing file, and we're going to do a Revit model on this. So what's the story is to convert an AutoCAD file, an AutoCAD plumbing layout, okay, into Revit, isn't it? We will be doing completely here the same thing but in Revit. Okay, so what we will be doing is, let's say we will start the drawing. Okay, we are in Revit now, we are in a blank screen, isn't it? Okay, click new, go to browse. We are doing US metric, isn't it? System default not metric. Why? Because we're doing the MEP stuff. Okay, click open. Let it load. Okay, once it loads, okay, double click. Make sure you are in the plumbing view, isn't it? Double click, floor plan level 1. Close the mechanical stuff because we are in the plumbing, isn't it? Okay. Then what you'll do, first thing is press a VG or insert the link file. Okay, go to insert, link, Revit. Okay. Then what you'll do, you will go to your folder where it is. Okay.